Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can deactivate your messenger. For this, first of all, open your messenger app and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now there are no possible ways from which you can deactivate your messenger using the messenger app itself. So for that you need to use your Facebook app. Therefore go back and open your Facebook app, and here also make sure you are already logged into your account. Now once this page opens up, on the bottom part of the screen you will see three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Now you will be taken to this page, and here scroll down until you find the option with settings and privacy. So here is settings and privacy. Now tap on the settings and privacy option. Now once you tap on settings and privacy option, tap on settings option once again, and now tap on personal information. So once this page opens up, again tap on manage account option. Now to deactivate your messenger account, you need to deactivate your Facebook account as well, because both your Facebook and your messenger accounts are linked. Therefore tap on deactivate, and here to continue the process you need to enter your password of your Facebook account. So in this box type Facebook account password. Now once you have typed your Facebook account password, tap on continue, and here you need to choose one of the reasons of why you are deactivating your Facebook account. So I'll just tap on the this is temporary and I'll be back option, and that means your Facebook account will be deactivated temporarily only. So once you tap on that, again scroll down and tap on continue option. Now you can again tap on continue. Now again tap on deactivate my account option. So now your Facebook account has been deactivated. So refresh this page once more, and now go back to your messenger, again refresh it and tap on continue as series option. As you can see, you are now logged into your messenger account. After you have deactivated your Facebook account, now you can deactivate your messenger account easily. Here to do that, on the upper part of the screen you will see your profile picture. Tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on legal and policies option. Now you will see your option with deactivate messenger. Tap on it. Here enter your password once again and tap on continue, and that's how you can deactivate your messenger account once you have deactivated your Facebook account. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.